Hi guys, how's it going? Bob's Concept here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fix background issues like this. So we're going to transform our backgrounds and make it look as crisp as possible. So we're changing it from what it looks like right now into this. Yeah, juicy, yeah, I know. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So there are several ways to do this, but the quickest I have found so far is content aware field. So how we do is you get to your quick selection tool. Let's use polygonal selection. What we do with that is the adjustment selection. So where we want to make adjustments. So for me, I am doing this. So I'm going to select here. Where we have video lines, and here we have the background spilled. So yep, our selection has been made, and these are the areas where I want to fix. What I do is just click on right click and look for content area field, hit on that, and allow for the shop to its magic, and voila, it's gone. Just like that. But there's an issue right here in this preview panel. Because it's on auto, it has automatically picked up. You can see here there's a little, it's close to the edge, so it has automatically selected parts from here. The AI has but this can be fixed easily. I just move my mouse over to this panel and using my bracket keys, change the size of that brush, and then I just wipe here, and it should automatically fix itself. It might not be as perfect as we want it to be here, but that little one over there can be fixed. That little one over there can be fixed. Once this is done, you just hit OK, and boom, it has created a new background copy layer that has that place fixed. I hit Command D to get rid of the selection, and then how do we fix this now? Here, zoom in, let's see, fix this, and then hit Command on your keyboard and make sure these two are selected, and then hit Command E to merge both of them. Now it's a single file. Now that it's a single file, I can just duplicate, Command J to have a fresh layer. Just in case I make a mistake here, I can still have this to work with. So let's use patch tool and reselect what we did earlier. Yeah, here, and let's move it this way. You see that it has picked colors from here to replace. I don't want that. If I do this, it still leaves me with that. That's not what I want. So I just hit Command Z until that selection is gone. I want this to be neatly done. One of the ways I like to do that is by copying. Let me zoom out. Copying the subject out, then it gives me freedom to work on this and any other thing I like to work on, like, oops, sorry about that. If I wanted to fix this also, if I wanted to fix this, if I wanted to fix this, yeah, what I would do with that is come over here, make sure layer 1 is selected, go to selection, select subject, and it automatically selects this subject. Another thing you can do here is use polygonal lasso tool and just quickly fix something here. this. And what else? Okay, I think I want this place selected also, so I just select, I hit shift on the keyboard and select this and add to my selection. This way. Good. That is done. Alright. Now that the subject has been in selection, what I would like to do is to duplicate this subject. Like copy it and have a new layer. So hit Command J and we have that over there. So if we blind this, we have this guy. Yeah. Awesome. So good. Now that that has been done, I want to get rid of this guy, and how we do that is just come to your brush and select mixer brush. Once that has been done, reduce the size of your brush. Ensure that you are on this layer, not this one and not this one, on layer 1, the one directly under subject selection, and then you just brush it. It's as easy as that. Just brush it. Just brush it. As simple as that. If we're still having something showing under, it therefore means that it's from a place that it shouldn't be. Oh, okay, it is here. So this is what we do. We go here, check the polygon also too, select that. Just hit delete and it's gone, just like so. So now that that has been done, you're good to go. You can go back to this layer. You can do the same thing here. Go to mixer brush, increase the size of your brush, and paint over it. As easy as that. Paint over it. You can increase the size and just paint over it and get rid of those things that don't look as smooth as they should be. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we're good. You can do that for all other places, and voila, we are good. As sweet as possible. In fact, if you want to go the extra mile to do something to the background, let's say add a vignette or something, go to this layer right here. Yeah, and I think I would like to merge these two and E and duplicate again. So if I wanted to play around with this background, yeah, all I need to do is to come here, background layer, copy, go to effects, go to gradient overlay, and I can just play around that background. You can even change the color. Let's say we wanted something close to what she's wearing. We get into this gradient editor and change the color right here, and then you can just pick from her outfits. Right. For this, we have it here. Okay, let's first of all accept that. Select this right here and go for the brightest parts. Good. Yeah. Looks nice, yeah? Whatever it is you want to do, actually, just play around. There are many things you can do. For more tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button and notification button so that every time I drop a video, helpful ones like this, you would be the first to know. So ladies and gentlemen, do have a lovely day. Thanks for coming to my